Good morning! So, we're still here in Bangkok and ito pa rin kami sa Yan Hotel. So, day 3, yan, day 3 pala of our stay here. So, ito yung outdoor sea. They call it outdoor sea. Yan, sobrang gandang lounge area. Kasi, overlooking siya by the pool. So, meron siyang access. Yan. Sa swimming pool. So, yun yung hagdan. Nasa second floor kasi ito. So, yung pool ay nasa ground floor. So, maga kami nagising ngayon. Magsisimula kami dito quick before we go out for our itinerary for the day. See ya! Happy Pride! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Siam Center. And, yeah. So, basically, magpumol lang tayo for today. And, ito yung first stop natin dito sa Siam Center. Hey guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Siam Paragon. It's actually around lunchtime na. And today is my friend's birthday. Si Weng, ayun siya yung naka-black. So, he will treat us for lunch today. And we're looking for a place to eat. Okay, so dito kami kakain. Influenced by Small Laude. Hi madam! Baka naman! Okay, so hindi kasi ako nakapagkape sa hotel kanina. So, dito sa my food area, nakita namin itong gram, coffee, and pancakes. So, pero order lang ako ng coffee. I really need coffee to really start my day. So, tingnan nyo, inaantok ko si Mem. I'm gonna be ordering hot cappuccino. Okay, so take away yung coffee namin. Bumalik na kami dito sa pila. Ayan yung ating birthday celebrant. Deliver niya tayo ng lunch for today. Thank you, friend. Ano naman po yung birthday?
Follow, share, subscribe to his channel.
Hey guys, sobrang haba nung pila dun sa may food court. So dito kami napunta sa may 4th floor. So, we'll check this out. Hey guys! So this is Cher's birthday lunch. Happy birthday again, friend. Lunch!
I-squeeze ba natin?
Yes.
Squeeze?
Oo.
O squeeze ko na.
Alright. Alright, so nakalabas na kami ng Siam Paragon. So nito kami sa BTS. Pupunta kami sa may station malapit sa Hanacorn. Alright, so this is the station going to Mahanacorn. So Chonglonsi, yun yung pinakamalapit na station if you wanna go to Mahanacorn. Okay, so we're back here. Kahapon kasi hindi kami natuloy kasi nabuta na kami ng cut-off. So ngayon, finally, akit kami dun sa taas. So we are back here sa Mahanacorn. And so this time, earlier kasi 3:30 yung cut-off ng admission sa taas. So it's 4:30 to 3, so we still have enough time. Okay, actually sa Klook, nag-purchase na kami ng ticket. So dito lang namin i-claim sa counter. So if you want to buy tickets on site, ito yung mga rates nila. Okay, so na-claim na namin yung ticket namin. Doon pipila kami doon sa side na yon. Doon, para sa entrance ng Skywalk. Okay, so itong ticket namin, may kasama na siyang 200 baht voucher na consumable for food. And right across the other side of the building, so ito yung food area nila. So you can select any cafe or restaurant here kung saan mo gustong gamitin yung voucher mo for food. The 200 baht voucher dito sa other cafe. So sa ground floor lang siya na King Power Hanacorn building. Hello guys, so we are now waiting for the elevator going to the Skywalk.
นะครับ within 30 second นะครับ enjoy the video ครับ
Okay, so nasa 74th floor na tayo. Grabe yung pressure. Okay, so this is 292 meters above sea level. And ito yung ating view. Wow! Ah! Ganda ng view, guys. Doon naman tayo sa kabilang side. Here. Alright guys, I hope you are enjoying the view as much as we are here. So this building pala is the second tallest building here in Thailand. Okay, so nandito pa rin tayo sa 74th floor, no? So dito sa floor na to, you can enjoy the 360-degree view of Bangkok. So lahat ng corner, lahat ng side, makikita mo. Okay, so dito naman sa side na to, yung river, ayan. So lesser building compared dun sa kabilang side. So ito yung comparison niya with other buildings around the world. Yan, so this tower is at 314 meters. And so may mga souvenir shop din dito. If you want to buy merchandise. Okay, so may other cafe rin pala dito. And so if you wanna chill by the cafe, and ito yung view nyo. This side of Bangkok. Toilet with the best view. Right. Hey guys! Grabe, sobrang ganda ng view dito sa 74th floor. And alright, so akit na kami sa skywalk. So required ang shoe cover para dun sa glass floor. So syempre para hindi ma-scratch. Alright, pupunta kami sa 78th floor para sa ating skywalk. Sky Beach din yung tawag nila. So, 78th floor. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa 78th floor. So, may mga restaurant din pala dito. Ayan, may DJ pa. So, very good yung vibe niya. Party-party pala dito eh. Okay, so eto na yung glass floor, yung skywalk. Ready na ba kayong malula with me? Okay, so nati-trigger na yung aking fear of heights. So let's try. If we can actually walk on that glass. Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Kaya ko kaya eh.
Gago.
Try natin. Shit!
Really can go right now this place. Left hand. This no line of here, no line of here.
Tumingin ka sa baba. Ito na naman po yung friend natin na may fear of missing out. Oh, kita mo. Oh.
Hindi mo kaya tumingin sa baba.
Gago. Ako nga hindi ko i-attempt eh.
Yan dyan!
Ay sus. Landi naman. Nakakabog.
Hey, we are still here. Sunset. Sunset na. Hey guys. Golden hour. And nandito pa rin kami sa skywalk ng Mahana Corn Building. And everyone is of course watching sunset and waiting for the city lights. So as you can see, ito yung mga tents dyan. And ito yung city lights. Here, this area. Alright, so it's around 7 p.m. Ganito na yung color niya from sunset. Yan, it starts to dark and of course, yung hinihintay nating city lights. Alright, so ito yung skywalk at night. Marami pa ring tao dito kahit ganitong oras na, pero mas visible yung lights. Ano, sobrang ganda. Okay, time check. It's 7:30 in the evening. Nandito pa rin tayo sa skywalk sa Mahana Corn Tower. Dito pa rin yan sa Bangkok. So this is our current view. So may 360 tayong view ng Bangkok dito. Okay, so almost 8 p.m. I think we are done here. One lap and we're off to go to our next destination. Hello, sawadikap! So, paalis na kami dito sa Mahana Corn Tower. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that experience. So, for sure, you will consider this on your next Bangkok travel. So really, the perfect time to visit here is yung pa-sunset na until sundown and makita niyo yung city lights and then you're good to go. Pero, there's also an option na you can stay kasi pag gabi nagiging rooftop bar na siya. So you might also wanna consider that. It's just that medyo pricey yung drinks nila. Ang ganda ng color. Look at the camera, guys. Where's your next? Oh, hi! Alright, we're here. Pick up. Hello! Sorry. Okay, so from Mahanakon, diretso tayo dito sa Kausan Road for dinner and party! After dinner, we decided magpakot massage. Ito siya. We're gonna have a foot massage for 30 minutes. So after washing our feet, we'll transfer room. Okay, so dito tayo sa loob. Nauna ka pa dyan. Okay. Kaya tayo dito habang may masayang well-deserved food spa. Kasi maghapon kami lumalakad since day 1. So, ay grabe, ang sarap. Oh, sarap, grabe. Makatulog na sila sa sobrang relaxing ng massage. Ako rin matutulog na. Okay, sulit yung 30. Sa kami magpamassage. So, party na. Mga hayan. Time check. Ano oras na ba? 1:11. Okay. Maglalakad kami pauwi ng hotel. Dadaan na. Yan, mga around 3 kilometers. Whew. Okay. Makakauwi kaya kami. Grabe yung hain na to. Grabe. May kasama ko. Trip nila maglakad pa uwi. Babalik na hotel. Mga 3.6 kilometers. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan kami tatagal. Okay. Thank you, Kausan Road. Gabi. So, Hong Kong noodles. You will see if we can eat here. Try namin dito. 24 hours. After party meal. Hello everyone. Say hi. I'm all shy type. Okay, tapos na kami late dinner dito sa Hong Kong Noodle. Yan. Balik na kami ng hotel. And that's our day 3. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit like and then comment down below. Please subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. See ya!